Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro Dollar, Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So this is the chart of DXY US dollar currency index, and yes, after the retail sales report yesterday, we saw DXY trying to recover, and we can see some correction going on the chart of Euro USD, gold and others. Overall, the chart of DXY, if you look at the higher time frame, then yes, DXY was extremely bullish for the last couple of months. But if you look at the present structure of DXY, then we have seen massive correction on the chart of DXY. And right now, if we look at the chart of DXY, then we can see that DXY right now, after the retail sales, okay, it is forming higher lows here. Higher lows usually signify the presence of buyers in the market, new buyers in the market, and their willingness to take the market up. So right now DXY is trying to recover here, but the most important thing is that right now there is no fundamental factor. There is no fundamental factor as of now that will push DXY towards the upside or towards the previous highs. Okay, so yes, there can be some temporary upside on the chart of DXY, but right now still we don't have any proper confirmation regarding the upcoming long trend, okay, upcoming trend of DXY, whether it will continue to be in uptrend for the next couple of months or whether it will be going down for the next couple of weeks and months. But as of now, what we can see is that DXY is trying to recover, forming higher lows here. And if you look at the currency strength meter, then the currency strength meter is also telling us the same story. You can see USD is the strongest currency, okay, today. So if the strength continues, then yes, the recovery we will see on the chart of US dollar currency index DXY. My dear friends, again today we have got some news. Initial jobless claims after 9 or 46 minutes means during the US session, so please be careful. Okay, as I always say, beginners, new traders, traders with low capital, try to avoid placing any orders during the news if you're in a very tight spot right now. Okay, you can observe the market. Observation will lead to experience, but try to avoid taking any position. And if you look at the Forex sentiment meter here, then Forex sentiment meter, you can see 60% retail traders have taken short position and 39% have taken long position. So the percentage is changing here. Previously it was around 66% on the short side and for around 34% on the long side. And right now you can see 60% retailers are on the sell and 39% on the buy side. Let's wait and watch how the market reacts. So DXY's move will be important. Okay, now let's head towards euro dollar. So this is the chart of euro USD right now. As you can see that unlike my other videos, today's chart looks a little bit complicated. Okay, so I'll be explaining one by one. So first of all, okay, my dear friends, first of all, the overall trend of euro USD is right now towards the upside. We know it very well. Okay, we know it very well, and you can see that more or less, okay, more or less market is also trading in this channel here. The channel is not perfect, I know that, okay, but it looks like that market is trading in a channel here. Okay, the problem is that market has not tested the levels too many times, so that's why we don't have the confirmation here. For example, the line at the bottom, okay, look at the line at the bottom here. Market has tested the line 2 times here, 1, 2. So this time if market bounces from here, then only we will get the confirmation that okay, more or less market is following this channel here. So from the 3rd time, 4th time only we get the confirmation. So right now it seems that market is following this upward channel here. So if the channel is right, if the channel is valid, okay, so there is a high chance that market will bounce from 1.0335 to 1.0350. The box that I have drawn here is the important level for the market. Okay, so why we are expecting? First of all, we have a parallel channel, upside channel here. Okay, Secondly, you can see that we have also drawn the Fibonacci retracement tool here. Okay, see, you can see I have drawn two Fibonacci's here. So first of all, I'm considering the lowest point of the chart here. While I'm considering the lowest point and the highest point, okay, I can see that I have Fibonacci 23.6% around the same level. So I have got two things. I have got a trend line in the form of a channel. Secondly, I have Fibonacci. So if I combine both the factors here, okay, then I think that under these circumstances, when I can see that there is not much volatility in the market, high chance of market bouncing from this level. If not trend reversal, at least we can expect a bounce of 20-25 pips. Okay, if the volatility of the market remains like this, but keep in mind that the currency strength meter is showing that dollar is the strongest. Okay, so please be careful. If dollar remains to be strong, if dollar shows big green candles, then obviously market will not respect these levels. Keep in mind, you are a trader, not a gambler, so you need to observe first. What you can do is you can set alert. Okay, you can set alert around this level. Once the alert is triggered, watch the market. But if the volatility of the market remains like this, I think the high chance is that market will take support. If market bounces, you can definitely go for a buy position. Okay, but you need to observe one more thing here. Okay, see, overall the trend of the market is towards the upside, but still I'm just saying that expect a profit of 20-25 pips. Why? Because one thing that you need to also focus here is that though the market looks sideways here, okay, if you just focus on the present trend here, though the market looks sideways, but market is forming lower highs here. Okay, lower highs means the buying power is decreasing slowly. The number of sellers are increasing, or the buyers are losing their strength slowly. That's why volatility will play a big role. If the market remains slow and dull like this, you can expect a bounce. But in case volatility comes, market shows a big red candle, then obviously market will break this structure, because we can clearly see that this number of sellers are increasing slowly here. Okay, in that case, you can expect the market to bounce from the next support level of 1.0300 to 1.0280. In case of an extreme selling pressure, okay, you can take a sell position also below this level. Okay, you can take a sell position below 1.00335. okay, you can expect a profit of 25 to 30 pips. Means till between these gap you can take a sell position. If you see that extreme selling pressure has come during the news, or crazy bullishness on the chart of the DXY, okay, you can take a sell position or expect a sell position also below this level. Okay, and we are also considering 1.0300, 1.0280 as the next good support for Euro USD, and the reason is that previous price rejection. Okay, let me remove the lines here so that you don't get confused. Okay, see, market has taken support previously around this level, isn't it? Market has taken support around this level previously, and here if we just focus on these two candles here, then you can see when market formed a big red candle, listen to me carefully, when market formed this big red candle, this was the level from where market bounced. So as a result, 1.0300, 1.0280 signifies that some buyers, good buyers are present around this level. Okay, and so good chance that market will try to take support around this level and market will bounce. But keep in mind, though this is the buying zone for us, if market breaks it, do not take a sell position. No, okay, do not take a sell position below this black line. Do not take a sell below this black line, because there can be some liquidity grab, there can be some stop loss hunting, and market may bounce like this. So this is our support for the day. I think that market will try to take support and market will be bouncing from this level. Again, I'm saying in case market breaks also this level, do not take a sell position, because market may go for some stop loss hunting, then market may bounce. Okay, and in case of extreme selling power, okay, extreme selling, then yes, this red line should work as support. Okay, let's wait and watch. Okay, so this is it. Hopefully you've understood. Okay, my dear friends, no trader is 100% accurate. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Bye bye, take care. Capital protection should be your first priority. Don't forget that.